Have you ever envisioned turning your fascination with photography into a flourishing business? It begins with a clear vision, a compelling niche that you feel passionate about. Whether it's capturing the joy of newlyweds, the earnestness of corporate headshots, or the lives of families, your specialization makes all the difference. Each niche has its unique audience, and honing in on what resonates with you will also attract clients who share your enthusiasm. The next step accelerates your dream into reality. Crafting a business plan. This plan serves as the blueprint for your photography studio, clarifying your services, identifying your target audience, and outlining your pricing strategies and startup costs. With a well-structured plan, not only will you stay on track, but you'll also position yourself to secure funding from potential investors or loans if needed. Now comes the formal aspect of starting your studio, registering your business. Choose a distinctive name that encapsulates your artistic vision and register it within your state. Many photographers opt for an LLC to shield themselves from liability. Be sure to acquire any local licenses that might be necessary and open a dedicated business bank account to keep your finances in order. Next, the location of your studio plays a pivotal role in your service delivery. You might start in the comfort of your own home, but as your business grows, seek a professional setting that resonates with your brand. A cozy, well-equipped space will attract clients and enhance their experience. In parallel, investing in essential equipment is paramount. Professional camera bodies, versatile lenses, studio lighting, and editing software form the foundation of your service quality. As you accumulate your gear, shift focus to building an impressive portfolio that truly reflects your unique style. Offer discounted photo sessions to friends and local businesses, capturing high-quality images that demonstrate your skills and creativity while enhancing your visibility. Once your portfolio shines, set competitive pricing, comparative to local rates with packages tailored to different services, ensuring value for your clients. With a solid foundation, establish an online presence by creating a professional website that showcases your work, pricing, and testimonials. Optimize social media accounts to connect with your audience and expose your brand to a wider clientele. Marketing is vital. Utilize Google business profiles and networking opportunities to spread the word about your studio. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, prioritize exceptional customer service. Quick responses to inquiries, meeting deadlines, and fostering a memorable client experience will not only impress your clients, but encourage them to return and refer others. In conclusion, with a focus on quality, reputation, and service, your photography studio can transform from a dream to a thriving success.